Hey there, rock and roll art stars. This is Mrs. Rothermel, and I'm about to show you how to complete your activity for today, the progress report survey. So here in Google Classroom, you'll see it says progress report survey. It'll be under classwork, and it says in the directions you will be using your progress report that I've given you today to help you fill out the survey below. Post your comments to anything missing as you get it completed and about anything I have missed. Thanks. And I'm going to show you how to do all that. So let's go to the survey, and you're going to click on the survey to open it. I already have it open. So I'm going to be working back and forth from a progress report sample to help you answer these questions. All right, so the first question is asking you, what is your current letter grade in this class? All you got to do is mark the letter. And for example, this person here currently has an F, and this is where you find the grade right here where it says total grade. Okay, so don't feel bad if you have an F, because you have the power to raise this, and I'm going to give you enough time to do it. Okay. All right, let's see what the next question's asking. And the reason we're doing this progress report survey is to help you learn how to read a progress report and to help you to come up with a plan, see exactly what you have missing, and communicate to me what you get done or maybe what I have missed. All right, so next thing is asking, how many missing assignments do you currently have? And when we go by missing assignments, we're going to go with anything that's marked missing on your progress report, and that'd be under status here in this right hand column. So let's see, anything that has the words missing, MISSING, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what you would put for the answer would be 5. Okay, then it's asking for the next question, what does it mean if the assignment percentage, grade, and status is blank? Well, let's take a look. So we have some rows here for some projects. So let's see, COVID restrictions, Canva day, and I have a dream. Is that 3? Or is there more? Grandma Moses. Oh, it's all these right here. So COVID restrictions, Google Draw Day, Canva day, Grandma Moses, and I have a dream. Oh, and Faith Ringgold. Or no, wait a minute. I'm sorry. Anything that's left blank, my bad. See, this is even confusing for me. So, for example, Google Draw Day has been graded, and Grandma Moses has been graded, and Faith Ringgold has been graded. And mind you, may I remind you that these Garden of Praise little tests that you do, you can take them more than once to raise that grade. So if you don't like that F you got on Grandma Moses, guess what? Take it again, okay? And take notes. To write down what the answers are. So I want you to get that A. So, for example, COVID restrictions is blank. It doesn't have a percent, a grade, or a status. Let's see, Canva day, if I go straight across here, doesn't have a percent, grade, or status. And I have a dream, doesn't have a percent, grade, or status. And what that basically means is oh, wait a minute, is there a few more? No. See, I even get confused when I read these stinking things. So if percent, grade, and status are all missing, basically what that means is you don't have it done yet. I went through and graded. I spent the day on Blue Day, and I spent the day on Gray Day, where I went in and anything and everything that you had in Google Classroom done that was in RDS, I entered it and graded it. So at that time, it wasn't there. Okay, so that means you still need to turn it in and still need to get it done. And you could also say that makes your missing assignments add up even more. Okay, so if this person has, I'm not even confused right now, but they have 5, and then anything that doesn't have a percent, grade, or status, that'd be 6, 7, and 8 would be the actual number. But I don't want to confuse you. I'm sorry. So then it's asking, that's why we're breaking it down. How many assignments are coming up in the future? Well, let me tell you something. As far as assignments coming up in the future, there aren't any. Right now in RDS, I have everything that's going to be counted for this grading period. And the end of this grading period is March 19th at 2:15 p.m. And that's a Friday. Okay, so not this Friday, but next Friday. Next Friday will be the end of the grading period. And I accept anything and everything up until 2:15 p.m. But I'm hoping to get everything done and graded, or at least give you an idea how that looks by Friday. So we'll see. We'll see how that goes. Next question's asking, does Mrs. Rothermel accept any missing assignments turned in late? Yeah, I accept any and all late work up until the last minute. Okay, so it's better to turn in something than it is to turn in nothing. Even if you're not sure what you're doing, Just try and do something and turn it in. Do the best you can. All right. Excuse me. I'm choking on my coffee. Next one's asking, does Mrs. Rothmel take any points off for missing assignments turning late? Nope, I do not. I repeat, I accept any and all late work and I don't take points off. Next question is asking, is it possible to raise your grade from an F to an A? Yes. I've seen it done several times. And yeah, I've seen it done. I've seen it done in a week. Okay. All you got to do is spend some time in Google Classroom and your digital art projects and assignments, and you'll be done. Next question is asking, how do you plan to raise your grade? Well, hopefully your answer is going to be to do my missing assignments and anything that's left blank. All right. These two questions are very important. This next one says, how do you let Mrs. Rothmel know if she missed something you have already done? Actually, both of these questions go hand in hand. The next question goes, how do you let Mrs. Rothmel know when you have completed your missing assignments? Well, I'm going to show you both. Now, you will be going to view assignment, and then you'll do Google form, and then I'm going to go to that math class to show you exactly what you need to do to let me know that you got things done or that I missed stuff. All right, so I'm going to go to that math class. I'm going to sneak into that math class. Shh, don't tell. No, she knows it's cool. I'm so blessed that she lets me do this. All right, so I'm going to pretend that this is the assignment we're working on, okay? And you click on the view assignment, and I'd fill out the Google form as I'm looking at my progress report. And yeah, that paper progress report, keep it. Help you. Use it as a bookmark to help you figure out what you need to get done. Keep it with your keep it in your pocket. All right, and you can see I already posted a private comment. Snow Fun and Heart Art. If I wanted to let Mrs. Rothmel that she missed my Ringgold, my Faith Ringgold, okay, or anything else I got done, all I got to do is where it says private comment. Now, class comments, mine are turned off right now, or should I say our classes is turned off. For this progress report, you post your comment in the private comments to me, okay? And you don't even have to write missed. All you got to do is type in the names of those assignments so I know to go find them, all right? All right, Rock and Roll Art Stars, you got this. You can raise that grade. Yes, you can. I believe in you. Okay? Do you believe in you? All right, Rock and Roll Art Stars, take care and rock on. Stay safe and stay healthy. Take care.